If you're in the market for an affordable family car that punches well above its weight, look no further than the Skoda Octavia. This unassuming Czech charmer packs a serious punch when it comes to interior space, practicality, and value for money. Right off the bat, the Octavia's exterior styling is a pleasant departure from the mundane. With its bold front grille, crisp character lines, and distinctive LED lighting, it exudes a confident and upscale presence belying its modest price tag. But it's on the inside where the Octavia truly shines. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a cabin that feels lifted from a car costing twice as much. The quality of materials, fit and finish, and attention to detail are exemplary. Skoda has truly raised the bar when it comes to affordable interior appointments. But the real party piece is the amount of space on offer. The Octavia's interior dimensions are in a class of their own, providing limo-like legroom for rear passengers and a cavernous trunk that will swallow all your gear with ease. Hauling flat-pack furniture or loading up for a family road trip, the Octavia has you covered. On the road, the Octavia delivers a comfortable and refined driving experience that will make you question why you'd pay more for a premium badge. The well-tuned suspension soaks up bumps with ease, while wind and road noise are kept well at bay. And despite its family-friendly demeanor, the Octavia can certainly bring a smile to an enthusiastic driver's face when the roads get twisty. Skoda's powertrain offerings leave little to be desired, with a range of punchy yet frugal turbocharged gasoline and diesel engines on the menu. For those seeking electrified options, a plug-in hybrid variant provides a emissions-free municipal commute. And let's not forget the hot VRS models for those craving more performance bite. But perhaps the Octavia's biggest selling point is its incredible value equation. With a full complement of standard safety tech, an intuitive infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a ton of practicality baked in, the Octavia undercuts many of its rivals while delivering more bang for your buck. In the world of family transportation, the Skoda Octavia is an absolute gem that should be on every shopper's shortlist. Spacious, well-equipped, and a hoot to drive, this Czech overachiever proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a healthy dose of automotive excellence.